Hello, in this tutorial we are going to talk about monitoring memory and disk metrics for Amazon EC2 Linux instances. So, unfortunately, when you go to the monitoring, if I can show you guys, when you go to the monitoring, you don't see anything about the memory. So it shows you the CPU utilization, disk, network, and status check, other things, but for sure it doesn't say anything about the memory. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a script. This script, what it does, it will go let's put it this way. For now, this script is just intended for use with Amazon EC2 instances running Linux, okay? And the prerequisite for this is to have a Linux machine. So right now I have a Red Hat machine here. So as you can see, it's a Red Hat 7.4. So we have to install a couple of packages. But first, I need to connect to my instance. So in order to connect to my instance, first, you need the key pair and the public IP address. Okay, so what we are planning to do right now, we're going to monitor our EC2 instance memory, and what we need to do next, we're going to show this on CloudWatch. Okay, so what it does, the CloudWatch will show the metrics, and you'll be able to see your memory utilization, how much memory is used, how much memory is available on CloudWatch. Okay, so first let's just connect to our instance. So just copy and paste. I go ahead and open a new window in terminal. Let me show up desktop. Okay. So just copy and paste. Yes. Okay, so I think I need to. Oh, sorry, I have to run command 0644 on my key. So we should be good right now. Bad permission. Why did I even type 0? 604. Let's see if it does anything. Why is it complaining about the? Let's just go with 600. If it's too wide, let's just go with 2. It always complains about the permission. So okay, so permission 600 is working fine now. Okay. So this was just complaining about the permission of my keeper to connect. So I had to change the permission to 600. But for some reason they've suggested 644, but it doesn't work, and it says oh sorry, it says 644. It's too open. It was the actual permission of my key, so I changed it to 600. Now it works fine. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to install a couple of packages. Okay, after you've logged into your instance and you've basically did the first requirement, it's not a bad idea to update. I've already done it myself, but just do yum update. Okay, make sure you do sudo, because if you're not the root, it might give you an error. So make sure you basically do an update. Okay, so I'm just gonna be the root right now. Sudo bash. Do Control L. Okay, or you can just type clear. So you have to install a package. Okay, a couple of packages, but I'll just put it in the comments. But this is what you need to just copy and paste it. I'll put it in the comment section. So this is the command that you have to use. This is the command. I'll put it in the description section. Okay, it's done. Now I need to also install, I don't need to do sudo, I need to install zip, because I'm going to download a zip file, and that zip file I need to unzip it. So I just need to download and install, okay? Okay, so now we're going to download, uncompress, and configure the CloudWatch monitoring scripts on our EC2 Linux instance, okay? So for that, what you have to do, you have to type this command. So let's just do Control-L. So curl http AWS CloudWatch S3, you're downloading this from the S3 bucket, downloads, and this is the package that we're going to download. It's a zip file, so you have to type curl with the option -o, okay? So it's downloaded, okay? Now what you have to do, you have to unzip, because it's a zip file, right? So we have to unzip it. Inflating, we're good. So let's just remove it because we don't need it anymore. The zip file, so just make sure it's the zip file, okay? So now, where are we now? As you can see, we have the script folder here. So AWS script, so just cd to that folder, okay? So you can see the scripts here, okay? What you have to do right now, first, okay, so let's do this. Let's just make a backup of our credential file. We have this one. It's right here. So we do, oops, copy, Control E to go back here. AWS credential, and instead of template, just type conf. Okay, very good. Now open this file, aws-cred.conf. Oh, we don't have nano here? Okay, sure, doesn't matter. We can use VI. Okay, as you can see, it's asking me for access key ID and AWS secret key, okay? But where do I get these two? Okay, what you have to do, you have to go to AWS here and go to the users, okay? I'm not sure if I have a, I can just create a user. Let's just add the user. Let's just call this program, okay? Make sure you check these buttons. Programmatic access, database management also, okay? Just want a custom password for this. Let's just call okay. I don't have to do this. Okay. Give full access and one more. What is this one? An EC2. Okay. So we have a group right now. It gives access to IAM full access and one more. But I'll just create a group for you guys. Right now, I'm just going to provide full access to AWS services and resources. But you can choose another one. You can read that. AWS admin. Group can contain or any of the following. Let's just call it admin so make AWS happy. Okay, it's in the admin group. Okay, next review and create the user. As you can see, it will show you two things now: the access key ID and the secret access key. We have to copy and paste it and put it in our put it here. Press I for insert and just paste it here. Okay, and also access secret key, it's here. Please remember, once you close this window, you're not going to see your secret access key anymore, so make sure you save it somewhere. Otherwise, you're going to lose it, okay? So, we're good. Press escape. Okay. Escape here. Q to right. And we are good here. Okay. So, now what you have to do, you have to run a command. To perform a simple test run without posting data to CloudWatch, you have to run this command. So we go this command, put instance data place, which is this one. Okay, so I need to get the memory utilization. When you type verify, that means it doesn't post anything to the CloudWatch dashboard. Okay, it just shows that it works or not. Okay, verification completed successfully and no actual metrics sent to CloudWatch. Okay, but hey, I just want to collect all available memory metrics and send them to CloudWatch, okay, to monitor them, because right now I cannot see anything. So what you have to do, you have to again type the script, put instance data place, mem util dash mem used including cache buffer. Okay, mem used. Let me see if I correctly include cache buffer. Yeah, mem used and mem await. Okay, so we're good right now. So successfully reported metrics to CloudWatch. And here's the reference ID. So what you need to do right now, you have to go to CloudWatch and go to the metrics and under Linux systems. This is my instance. If you have like so many instances, then copy the instance ID and paste it here. Okay, and as you can just select them. I always prefer the number. Just give it some time to get the information, and once it's done, it will show you the memory utilization, memory available, and memory used. Okay, as you can see, memory utilization now it's 74.7%, memory available is 251, and memory used is 740. But the problem with this is, every single time if you want to get something, we have to basically run this command, which doesn't make any sense, right? Because you don't want to do this every single time. So what we can do a cron job, okay, using cron tab. So we do cron tab -e. Press I for insert. So what you need to do, let me just copy and paste the one that I've just I had it in my do I have it here? No, I've typed it. Okay. Just copy this and paste it here. Okay. So let's copy. Okay. I'm not sure how familiar you are with the cron job, but basically there are 5 sections that you say this is the for example the minute, right? And we go with the hour and day, month, and year. So I want this to run. I want to run this every 1 minute. If you want to run, if you want to read about the cron job tutorial, there's so many tutorials about cron job, like how to use cron job and how does it work. Here's a simple cron job, for example. It does it every 10 minutes. There's so many things. See, this one is the minute, this one is the hour, day of the month, day of the week. Okay. So there's tons of tutorial about this. Okay. So so after you've done this, you're running every 1 minute. Okay. So you're good. And you have to put the path. Where is the path? Where does it find the script? Okay. Let me just save this one. Control. Sorry. Oops. Escape. So where am I now? EC2 AWS script. Okay. So if I just type. I'm just gonna put this under. I'm gonna put get instance to root. Okay. So if I go to root, I have the script here. Okay. Now in your cron job, after you can put it anywhere. Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put it here. I'm just going to put it under slash. Okay. Now go to cron tab one more time. And as you can see, it's under slash. I don't want to search for anything. It's under slash. Okay. So, and or you can just put it anywhere else. Doesn't matter. Like for example, you can just put it here. Let me just go back. For example, you can just create a folder on there, create a folder, put it rhui. Just gonna give it permission 777. Okay, and I'm just gonna move this file to rhui. Okay. Now if you just go to rhui, you'll see the file is here. Now if I go to my cron tab, I'll just put this one under rhui. Okay. Oops. Forgot to put the insert. Put the rhui. Just get rid of this one. Okay. So wherever you put the file, then you can run it. Okay. Then you're able to run this file. So I put it under rhui. It goes every 1 minute. It goes to this folder. It finds my script, and I will update my metrics. And let me just save this one. Press escape. How many times? Okay. Here we go. So this is going to update every 1 minute. And the script basically just gonna do queries for CloudWatch. Okay, so it's just gonna get the information from your Linux machine and post it on a dashboard on CloudWatch. So you have to go to the CloudWatch then go to the metrics and go to the Linux system and select all these: memory utilization, memory available, and memory used. This is the name of my instance, okay? And it will show you the memory used, memory available, and memory utilization. And after that, you can just go ahead and create a cron job. And in the cron job, you'll be able to basically force it to run this command every 1 minute. So we're done here, guys. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.